Alrighty, we're just on the back road going to a friend of mine's son's high school. A friend of mine, his name is Ricky. He's come to me and asked me to maybe come to his son's graduation, just because he liked the show and he thought he might enjoy that if Bad Chad showed up and congratulate him on graduating. And that's what we're going to do. We're probably 3/4 of an hour away from home, but we're just traveling the back road. And Jolene said she'd like to put the mic on me and show the scenery. So that's what we're doing right at the present moment. And we'll probably be there within 10 minutes, I suppose. But the young feller's, I'm not sure, he's probably anywhere from 14 to 16, I'm guessing, middle school. I know who he is. I've met him a couple times. What can I say? He's a quiet young feller. And I took him for a drive in the old car. He had fun in that, so that's why Rick has asked me to do this for him. I'm not going to show up in the old car. We're going to show up in the Suburban. Didn't know if the old car didn't know what would work like coming this far, working the way it was. Didn't want a chance missing it. And I just thought that us being here would be enough. He can come to the house anytime and drive an old car with me and he wants to. But that's what we're doing. We're just cruising the back roads. The principal has asked Ricky to ask me to come early. We're going to be there about, I guess they're supposed to be out of school at 3:20. We're going to be there at 3 o'clock. So we're going to be about 20 minutes early. And I'm not sure if the principal would like me to talk to the students. I have no idea. But my main focus is Terrence. I want to have a good time with Terrence. We bring him a hat, we bring him a shirt, and we'll more or less just talk to him as a human being. How you doing, Terrence? Basically that'd be about it. May ask him a few things. What he's interested in. What he's thinking about. I might even tell him what the golden rule is. I think that probably all the kids in the middle school should know what the golden rule is. They really should. The golden rule is you do unto others that you would have done unto you. And what I'm thinking is we have a bunch of kids that are getting off school, and this is their chance in life right now, is when they start making decisions when they're off school. This is their chance to make decisions on their own. The teachers can't tell them what to do. Generally, when you're playing around somewhere, your mother and father can't tell you what to do. You're out on your own, and that's when you make decisions. And some kids, not all kids, but some kids need to know before they make that decision. They'll have to just slow up a second and ask themselves, would they like that? That's all they have to ask themselves, if they would like what they're doing for a decision. And once they do that and learn that little process, there probably should be a lot less conflict going on. That's what I'm thinking. And to have a happy place to go to school would be a happy thing for a lot of people. I think the world needs more of it, That's all. The world needs to know the golden rule again. The golden rule again. You can know it, but you have to practice it. I hope us showing up in the Suburban is enough. Jolene's going to drive out of there. We'll put him in the back seat and I'll get in the back with him. Pretend that, hey, it's his day and I'm going to give him all my attention. I would like to take him out maybe I'm not sure, maybe we can get some fast food or something and talk about what he's going to do for the rest of the summer. He has a plan, what his dreams are. If you have a dream, what's next? Well, if you have a dream, the next thing is you have to figure out how you get it. And then you figure out, wow, I got to put work clothes on. And then it becomes whether you're willing to do the work or not. Basically it. This is kind of nerve-wracking going to a school, but you know what? What can I say? It makes me so proud for Ricky to even ask me to come see his son. I'm proud for him to ask me, to think that I could make his son's day. And if I can make his son's day, I will go home a happy man. I just will, because it's a simple little task of It's a simple task. To talk about, to meet him, I've met him before, but it's been a while. We're not on every day. Like I said, we're probably 3/4 of an hour away. I think we're getting close. I would like to think that the old car would have made it, but I did not want to miss it. And that's basically the end of it. I did not want to miss it because the old car is not working that well. Alrighty, I'm gonna put a blinker on here for some reason, but whatever. Just up over the hill here on the right-hand side, I'm thinking. Right-hand side. Right here, I think. I think this is the one. Buses only, but what if we want to visit? Is this the one? She said it was across from the school, I think. No, this one's... This one's all done, isn't it? Graduating's all done here, I think. This is not his age. No, this is the elementary school, I would think.
Okay.
We'll go this way, down this way. Huh? It's live wind. We can't even find the school. I'm hoping that... I'm supposed to be in an old car, so it's pretty hard to identify if you're not got an old car. But here I go. School, buses only. We'll go over here, go down there. Driving around like heathens. I'm going to do exactly what that lady did right there. Why is she backing up so far? Is she going to take all that? Oh no, she just straightened it up. There we go. We're just going to pull in like this, and then we're going to start walking. How's that? Bring the... What? Oh, yeah. For sure. I'll get that for you. Where's Ricky there? Yeah. I apologize about the old car, but I wanted to make it. We've got the hat and the shirt. I want to take him out to Burger King or McDonald's. Okay. Cool. Should I wait for giving this him after, or should I give to him now?
You can give to him.
Yeah. Okay.
I'll give the principal a call and let him know you're here.
Okay. I got a mask. You guys even let in the school, are you?
No.
Or is that right?
Have to ring the buzzer and then they ring through.
Wow. It's a different day.
Yeah, that's for sure.
Isn't it, Rick? Different day. So we'll meet you in Windsor?
Yeah, I put the food in. All right, food.
Sobeys? Walmart? Superstore.
Just up above McDonald's. Yeah, there's no Burger King in Windsor. McDonald's.
McDonald's?
Yeah.
Why'd I even say Burger King?
Well, I like Burger King, so.
Because it was the king, I guess. Yeah, I thought if I got in that 62, I might not make it.
No, that's no trouble at all.
You can come to the house anytime and go for a ride in an old car.
Yes, I know.
Yes. How old is he now?
13, he'd be 14.
I knew.
October.
Okay.
I see you must have been over the other school.
Yeah, I'm nervous. I shouldn't be nervous. I'm the grown-up, shouldn't I? Terrence should be nervous. Da, 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 da. Kids must be excited to come out of that school, aren't they? Huh? Yeah, be some excited to come out of that school. I know I would be. There'd be smoke coming off my heels. Oh, there's his right there, bud. Is that the principal there? Okay. Put my mask on, maybe? I don't have a mask on yet. I'll social distance. How's that? How are you today? Not bad. Nice to meet you.
How are you? Yes, there's all kinds of car fanatics here.
Oh, is that right? Well, we didn't do that because we did not want to break down and not make it.
Okay.
Terrence's day is more important than,
Absolutely.
and then seeing an old car.
I just chatted to him, so I know he's excited.
Oh, okay.
I was going to bring his class out.
Okay.
But what I'd love for you to do is come back next year. Can you do that?
Yeah, I can do that.
And maybe bring a couple down, and I'll take the whole school, and we'll start taking some tours. And I thought maybe you put them in the videos. These guys can do some filming for you.
Okay.
But whatever we can do to help promote
Okay.
you and make it a win-win, because these kids love cars.
I don't need promotion. No.
I know you don't need the promotion.
No, but
I know when I mentioned your name, everybody in the office knew who you were. I was thinking, how come Yummo doesn't know who he is?
Well, that's not true. You know who I am now.
Yes, I seen your stuff at
Oh, good.
the car show in Hansport.
Yes. We did a school in Bridgetown, Lawrencetown. We did a talk. It was because of the courts, but it turned out to be a good thing.
Yeah, these guys would love it.
Okay.
And I know there's a whole group out there that can kind of
Okay.
So maybe we can chat afterwards. I'll give you a number from.
We'll just wait for Terrence then.
Yeah, all right.
Or would we be able to get him? Go get him?
Get him right now. Yeah.
I guess they're always allowed in the school then, eh?
No, I'll add. You guys want to win the school?
I wouldn't mind going and getting him. It would kind of be a good for him, I think, wouldn't it not?
There you go. Go ahead, guys.
All right, here we go. Let's go get him.
Dan, I'll catch you all later.
Okay, we'll see you in Windsor.
All right, well, south.
He'll fetch a good dollar, Rick. He'll fetch a good dollar. That's good. Sure. I like to go get him, give him a special day.
Yeah, I didn't bring my keys out, so I'm going to have to buzz in like you would.
It's probably pretty good to see all the kids running around playing soccer and stuff like that. That's great. That's good.
Oh, he's sitting in the room watching a movie going crazy right now.
Oh, is he? I want to get out of here.
Yeah, he wants to get out.
Is anybody outside for the radio?
Yes, I'm outside. I'm just on my way in. Can you let me in though? I left my keys in there.
Are we going to be allowed to take him with us? Cool.
Dad was waiting and he's not up here.
Who was it? Okay, I think I know what he's at. You guys sign in right here.
No worries.
In case something happens. I'm terrible with my mask. My apologies.
No worries. You're not spitting on me.
I keep thinking I'll survive it.
You want me to sign for you in?
I'm going to bring him right here to you. Is that all right?
Cool. Terry Fox. That's cool. I cried like a baby when he died. Cried like a baby, I did. He was very, cool. I think they still have the Terry Fox run, do they not? It's too bad we couldn't went to his classroom, but, huh? Mask on, please. There's no need to sign in then, was there? Hello. No, we were waiting for Terrence. No worries. No worries. Yeah. Yeah, I'd be burning smoke underneath my heels to get out of here at that age. Huh? Well, I guess it didn't pan out like we thought it might, but see what happens. Yeah, it's all good stuff. I should hand sanitize. Whew. I need to hand sanitize your toes. I had a squirt on there. No one's used it for a while because it's blocked up. You see that? Huh? West Hants Middle School. One thing with the videos, we can never put music on, so I can't dance for you. What? No. I think we lose subscribers when we do that. What was that? Huh? Sounded like Fina's toy, didn't it? Hey, Terrence, man. You happy to get out?
Yeah.
Come with us. I got a hat and shirt for you.
Sick.
Sick. See you later. Thank you very much.
Yeah, so we'll talk again.
Yeah, for sure.
And if you're interested in coming down next year, I'd love to have you.
Cool. Right on. Thanks, Terrence. Thanks for holding the door open for me. Well, you got a few manners, I see, since the last time I seen you.
Still quiet though.
Is he?
Yeah,
He-
keep talking.
He don't have to talk. I can do a lot of talking. I'm a talker. That's what I am. I'm a talker. Here, I got that. Did you pass? Did you pass?
Almost.
What do you mean almost? Did you pass the grade? Did you? Well, right on. That's good. What grade you going in next? 9. I didn't do so good in grade 9. We're right in that suburban there, bye. I'm going to take you to town. We're going to grab a bite to eat. All right. Your father's over there in the corner. He's keeping an eye on you. I told him you'll fetch a good $1. The back of this thing. Just a sec, I'll get the door open. Huh? Yeah, sure. We're going to sign off now. Jolene's driving, but me and Terrence are going to town. We're going to have a bite to eat and check things out, see what happens. Talk about shit and stuff and that sort of stuff. Cool.
Made you smile. That's one of the best smiles he's ever got out of it. Yeah. Made you smile. Thanks, brother. No problem. Appreciate that. Thanks.
No, I'm going to give you a hug.
All right. Good.
Thank you.